Here's a really neat old Blue Bird Cheverlet C series. See there? Blue Bird. Bird Body Company, Fort Valley, Georgia. That's the interior. That's all your stuff here. Amtran first aid kit. The Blue Bird bus. Chevrolet. Here's your door. Got your jackknife door. Here's your choke, throttle switch, ignition, park brake, shifter, speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge. Got your heaters here, defrost, your manual switch, your lights, your dome, your master switch, your fan, your rear heater, fan, and your camera switch. Turn the camera on. Here's all the specs from Blue Bird. Exterior light monitor. I like this too. That sign, your children is our safety. Blue Bird. Is inside the bus. Blue Bird Bus Company. Chevrolet C series. I think this is like a 1980s model. Got your emergency door in the rear. It's got to be 80s. I think it is. Bus of this vintage. Pretty deep step there. Here it is. Chevrolet Blue Bird C series.